And you can be rest assured that the country is in safe hands, and the central government under Modi ji will not do anything adverse to the farmers of this country, to the farmers of North Bengal. So there is an issue over this. There is an issue with another country, like there was an issue with regarding to the Cheat Mahal. For so many decades, the Cheat Mahal problem was there. Nobody was able to solve it. Now, our central government, barring 2-3 pockets, all the Cheat Mahals are now being solved. The problem has gone. So, in Teesta Accord also, there has been a few accords earlier also. The state chief minister, then communist chief minister Jyoti Basu, he also played an active role. But somehow the matter didn't solve fully 100%. But I think that all kind of problems can be solved with dialogue, and we definitely, I am not aware of it because it concerns the central government and Ministry of Foreign Affairs and other. But I can only say that we are having a government that only thinks about the welfare of 125 crores of Indians. So the farmers of North Bengal are part of that 125 crores Indians. So their welfare, their well-being will be looked after well by Modi Sarkar.
The illegal migration from Bangladesh is now a problem, both a headache for the state and as well for the central also. A lot of terrorist activities are also being held out throughout this. So what will be your opinion if you come to the power? So law and order is the state subject. So how will you deal with this illegal Bangladesh migrants?
No, we have made it clear because BJP is the only party that has been talking about this illegal immigrants from Bangladesh since day one. You can see the Anupravesh or this illegal immigration thing has only been talked from BJP platforms. So now it's good that other political parties have also realized. Previously we used to see that it was been accused that BJP is making an issue out of nowhere. There is no such thing exists like illegal immigration. And now they have ultimately accepted that they were wrong and the BJP was right. So there is an issue out here. Now how to solve it? There are two aspects of this issue. One is the minorities of Bangladesh, the religious minorities of Bangladesh, the Hindus, the Buddhists, Chakma Buddhists. So they are having serious problem in that country. They are being perpetrated due to religious reason. So earlier also and now we have a policy like these minorities from Bangladesh, they will be treated as refugees, they will be provided asylum and all kind of facilities out here in Bharat, and wherever necessary they should be given all rights of the citizen, and the central government has already said that till December 2014 all such people who are in Bharat due to religious persecution in Bangladesh will be resident of India. They will not be pushed back into that country. The Hindus of Bangladesh, and the central government is working on giving them full-fledged citizenship. This is one aspect. The second is the infiltrators, or the Anupraveshkaris. They are people who are out here for economic reasons and for some reason that is detrimental to the security and integrity of Bharat. So we want all these people to be identified and should be sent back to Bangladesh. In Assam, there has been a process already which is known as the D-voter process, which is doubtful voter. All these people, previously they were being getting political patronage from all other parties barring the BJP, whether the Congress or here the left front, now the TMC, in Assam, the Congress and the other non-BJP parties. They were all pampering these elements just for the sake of vote. We want, many of them has utilized their services and has entered the voter list, have acquired Aadhaar card, ration cards and voter ID cards. We want all these doubtful people to be identified, to be debarred from voting. Whatever card they are possessing, those should be withdrawn. They should be identified and pushed back to Bangladesh. That is our party's policy.
Next is, you fielded who is your CM candidate? Who is going to be your CM candidate in the election?
You see,
Like in the-
generally we don't project any CM candidate. You have seen in last few elections, BJP has never projected any chief ministerial candidate,
Sir,
barring the
in Delhi
one.
election, at the last moment, you filled Kiran Bedi
Yeah.
instead of Satish Padhyay.
No, that is your thought. Whether Satish Upadhyay was in contention, I am not aware of. But whatever has been decided by the party, decided by the party's most senior parliamentary board, and then party. Generally, BJP don't project any chief minister until and unless we are having our government there. So naturally, the chief minister, who is already the incumbent, he naturally takes the center stage. In other places, you have seen, we have in Jharkhand election, we didn't project anyone. But after election, we got the majority. We have now Raghuvar Das ji as our CM. In Maharashtra also, Devendra Fadnavis was not being projected as the CM. After the election, he has been chosen by the seniors of the party. In Haryana, again, Manohar Lal ji, he was not being projected earlier before the election. After election. So this is how we believe in collective leadership, collective decision. So in Bengal, again, we are fighting on this, we are fighting on issues. And when people will bless us with a majority, we will decide on the chief ministerial candidate.
Okay. Sir, you fielded Chandra Kumar Bose, grandson of Subhash Chandra Bose, against Mamata Banerjee. So if BJP won the election, will he be your CM candidate?
Chandra Kumar Bose is the great grandson of Subhash Chandra Bose. We have fielded him against Mamata Banerjee due to many reasons. One of them is the local person. He also belongs to that constituency. He is not an outsider thing. Then again, as far as this chief ministerial candidate is concerned, I have already stated during your earlier question that we have not projected anyone as far as Bengal Vidhan Sabha elections is concerned. We believe in collective leadership and collective decision. In Bengal, we are fighting on issues, we are fighting on development plan. এটা বন্ধ করি। এই মনি